Welcome to this channel. Please enable to subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and like this video as soon as you're done watching it. What we'll be looking at today is how to design a birthday flyer. So all you have to do is just open your Pixellab and you delete this text, and then you change the color of this background. Go to color, and then you select this color. This How this color was combined was just tap on this plus sign, and then you tap here, go to color, and then you choose white, pure white. Move this to the end, move this to the end, move this to the end. Okay, so for this blue color, you do the same thing here. For this blue color, you will do the same thing this way. Just go to blue and then move all this to the end, or you can just simply, this is the color code, the color number, so you can just simply write it down and make use of this. Okay, so we'll be going back to where we were. So this is the background here. We'll be importing the image of the person celebrating the birthday. You can just pick it from here. You can check the description of this video. You can check the description for the material. So I will just crop it out to reduce what I'm working with. Just crop it out a little and mark good. This is it. Position in this way. And just reduce the size a little. Or you can make use of this relative position to position it at the middle. All right, good. So we'll be adding the text here. So you can just go to A. You go to A, go to text, and then you edit it. The birthday. Okay, so you bring it down here and then you change the font. So you go down to AB font. I'll be making use of this font. I'll be making use of this font. So you can select the font that you actually like. So I can just tap OK. Increase the size. I will still increase the size. Good. Then you go down to spacing, line spacing, reduce it this way. Good. Go down to align, and then you select this, let it be aligned at the left, at the right, I mean. Good. So I'll bolden this, I'll make it bold. All right. And just move it down a little, and then change the color. Go to color. I'll be selecting this color, the color that was combined here. You can check the color code also. That's the color I'm making use of. Then I'll go to padding, increase the padding this way. Good. And then move this text to the back. Can use this position. Good. I'll copy this text, move it here, Make sure that is on the same line as the text under. So you go down to color and then you make the color transparent. This is a transparent color. I've showed how this color was combined. This is it. And just move this to the very edge like this. So that's the transparent color. Then you go down to stroke, enable it, and reduce the stroke to 2. Change the color of the stroke to white. Good. Let me position it well. So I'll use this position. Okay, good. The next thing, I will take a shape. So I can just tap on this plus sign, go to shapes, and then I'll select this square shape. Then you go down to gradient. Select this gradient. I'll select this gradient. This is how it was combined. Tap on this plus sign. Then this one, choose it from here, and then you go to color. It will be around maybe this way or this way. Then you move it to the very edge. If you move it to the very edge, it will turn to a transparent color this way. That was how it was combined. So when you're done with that, you tap OK. This is the color here. Increase the size. You increase the size in such a way that it will fit this background very well. And just mark good. Make use of this relative position to make sure it's at the middle. Good. And I increase the size again. Okay, is nice now. It's nice now. So you go to here, tap here, and then this is the one we just edited now. So you move it to be under this text. Move it to be under. This one is a transparent birthday text. So you move this to be under it. Can just lock it so it won't be moving about. Good. The next thing we'll be adding here, will be adding the name of the celebrant. Can just pick this text from here, move it down, and then you edit it. Dr. BC. Okay. Change the color. Change the color to white. And then you change the font. I'll be making use of this font. I'll be making use of this. So you can just increase the size. And then you position it well here. Good. I'll take another text, edit it, just do it this way into 6 places. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Move this here, and then you go down to color, change the color to white, make it bold, and then the line spacing, you reduce it and just shift it here. So you reduce the line spacing like this. Good. Can shift it and position it here. This is more like a design, all right, a background design. So you copy it, and then you move it this way also. Good. we'll be getting another material here. So you can just go to shapes, select circle. So another thing you'll be adding here, you tap on this plus sign, go to shapes, select circle, circle shape, and then you change the color to this blue because we are making use of blue. Good. You copy it, go to copy it, and then you change the color to white. Good. You reduce the size in such a way that it will be able to fit in to the bigger one. Good. So you tap here and then you merge these two circles together. Okay. Reduce the size and move it here. Then you get a text. Edit it. We'll be writing the date of birth, which is 20th April. Okay. Align it at the middle and then you bolden it and change the color to black. Give it a black color. You also go down to line spacing. Reduce the spacing between them. Good. So you bring it here and then you reduce the size so it will fit into this circle. I can just make use of this feature and reduce the size. And let me increase the line spacing a little. So position it well inside this circle. Good. So there is one other thing we have to add here, which is happy. We only added birthday, so you can just take another text and you edit it. Okay, you go down to AB fonts. I'll be making use of this font. I'll be making use of this. Then you make it bold. And then you change the color to white. And add a black stroke to it this way. You can just reduce the stroke to 3. Good. So you position it well. Let it look as if it's on top of this letter H. So I can just increase the size a little. And then use this position to position it well. So it's nice now. We are done with the design. So you can just save your project. You can save it as projects, maybe for reference. If you want to come back to the project again, you can save it with maybe Dr. BC. Okay. If you check here, then you go to this place, tap here, you see the project, which is Dr. BC. Have you seen it now? So, and if you want to save it to your gallery, you save as image. If you want to print, you can save with JPG and custom. But if you want to use for social media, you can save it with PNG and high or maybe ultra. This is to be able to make it sharp and very nice. So the our work is saved now. If you go to your gallery, you will see the nice design there. So thank you so much once again for being here, for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can comment on the comment section how useful this video is to you, right? I'll be expecting you in the next video. Thank you.